Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your GroupMe account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box type in www.groupme.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of GroupMe. To log into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. You can log into your GroupMe account using one of these accounts at the top or enter an email or a phone number followed by your password. But remember that you must choose the same process that you used while signing up for GroupMe. Since I signed up using my email and password, let me go ahead and type in my email in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompt till the end. Finally, click on the login button and you'll be able to log into your GroupMe account quick and easy. It is that simple. I hope you learned how to do it. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.